Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciera Michelle, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I take my upart wig and make it into a half up half down with a bun, and then with it just hanging down like this. Super easy, super affordable. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
this is one hairstyle with me putting it in a top knot. I think this is super cute. It's super chill. I will wear this to the gym because it's like not in my face, but it's still like giving that I put effort into my hair. And I don't know, I feel like this is not too messy, but it's not too like, I don't know, it's like in between. It's like every day. It's giving natural. It's giving, she cute. She don't put too much effort into it, but it's still cute. We love when we can buy a wig and we can reuse it for multiple purposes. It's not just a U part. It's a half up, half down. It's a side part. It's a middle part. Like, it's so many uses out of it. I love it.
Wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, then dip me underway. You kill my mind for love, hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep,
Relatively easy. It's simple. You already have the wig, so why not like repurpose it and reuse it for different hairstyles, and also like to change up your everyday look. So I don't know, I'm feeling it right now. I feel like it's not too bad, you know. It feels natural. I'm able to cover up that leave out, and I feel like I'm able to cover up the back with the hair, like, because it's so thick back there. So this is the end of the video. As always, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted, and I will see you guys in my next video.